Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Wordscape notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Wordscape and perform your search. Tap on it. Tap on the Notifications option. Now, enable Show Notifications option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.